Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 57 of Qaida, and this is regarding Huroof Muqattat. As the name says, these are huruf, where we are pronouncing letters, not the sounds. So if there is sound, the fatha sound of hamza will be a, kasra will be e, dhamma will be u. Here you are not saying Hamza, but you are saying the letters. Lam is not being pronounced like la, li, lu, but we are saying the name of it. Lam. Lam is the name of this letter. So we are saying the names of the letters. We are saying the letters, not the sounds. So here the first one is Alif. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Alif, the first one is Alif. Alif will be, we will say it as is. We will not make it long, we will not make it short, as is. Alif, Alif, Alif. La. So the scholars of Tajweed has agreed together that when you are saying Huruf Muqatta'at, you are stretching them 6 counts long. So here you will make it 6 counts long. You will say it, wait, let me take the pen. It will be 6 counts long. Alif will stay the Alif, 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 La. That's done. Like we are saying it like this. Alif, a, a. This is alif, alif. It will get hums. Lam. We are saying this. So as we are saying this lam, so the ending sound is mim with sukun. And the next letter is mim. These are the letters we are saying like this. These are the names of the letters. So that will be mim. So alif, alif, la. Now there is mim sakin, and after mim sakin there is again mim. So which qaida is being applied? Yes, the qaida of mim sakina, and qaida of mim sakina says when there is mim after mim sakina, then you will apply idgham shafawi. Idgham. You are merging the sound of mim into mim. So how it will be? In short, you will give tashdid at the end. So you should know that what we are doing. La. The gunna will be akmal here. So you will give a sufficient time, and then mim, alif, lam, mim. And this meme will get sifa of tawassut. Here there will be hums. Alif, there will be hums. And this will be idgham, and there will be tawassut. Alif, lam, mim. this will be alif. This will say as it will be not long. Lam, 6 counts long. Meme, the same way, lam and meme. At the end of lam, there is meme, and at the beginning of meme, there is meme. So there will be idgham shafawi, meme, and then can you see there is meme, memes, meme, and then sod. There is meme with sukoon and sod. So what will happen there? There will be idhar. Why? Because after meme sakin there is sod, the letter sod. The rule will be idhar shafawi. Alif lam mim sad. Sad will be 6 counts too, and then after completing sad, there will be qalqala on dal. So how we will pronounce this? Alif will stay alif, lam will be 6 counts long, then ra will be 2 counts. Why? So whenever you will find 3 letters in any letter, then you will make it 6 counts long. And any letter which has 2 letters into it, just like ra, if you want to write the ra, how will you write? You will write it like this. Ra is 1 letter, sorry. Ra is 1 letter, and the second one is alif. So there are 2 letters. When there are 2 letters in any letter, then it will be 2 counts long. Alif, lam, so alif, lam, ra. Which rule will be applied here? There is meme with sukoon at the end, and there is ra in the beginning. So there will be idhar shafawi. So you will say meme very clearly. Alif, lam, ra. Ra will be 2 counts long because there are 2 letters in this letter if you wanted to write it in full. There is alif, then lam will be 6 counts because there are 3 letters into it. And meme will be 6 counts because there are 3 letters into it. Meme and ra. Ra will be 2 counts. Do you know why we are making it 6 counts long? Because this is madarid lisakun. We are actually pronouncing each letter separately, but we are applying the rules in between too. So alif, lam, mim, ra. Alif will stay alif, 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 lam, 6 counts long. Then there is meme sakin, and after meme sakin there is meme, so we will make idgham shafawi, and it will bring gunna too. We will give sufficient time, and then we will make this meme 6 counts long too, because this is just like madarat lisakun. And then there is meme at the end and ra at the beginning. So which qaida will be here? Idhari shafawi. Good. So Alif, lam, mim, ra. Why we are making ra only two counts? Because there are only two letters. And when any, you remember when any letter is ending with a mud letter, we are not changing it. So it will stay two counts long. Then kaf are three. So I will write it for you. Kaf. If you will see any word little written like this, so how will you stop? For example, it's kafun. Kafun. So how will you stop? You will say kaf. You'll make it four counts long. But you remember I told you that all scholars are agreed that whenever you are saying huruf muqatta'at, you are stretching it six counts long. So instead of four counts or five counts long, you are stretching it six counts long here, because our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us to do that, to make it that long. So kaf will be six counts long. Kaf. There will be hums on fa. Kaf. Ha. Ha will be two counts long. Why? Because if we wanted to write, it will be like this. Two letters, and this is natural mud. If natural mud is there and there is no second letter after it, we are stretching it two counts long, even though we are stopping at the end. Yeah. So it will be two counts long. Kaf will be six counts long. Kaf. Ha. Yeah, yeah will be two counts long too. Why? Because it is ending with the natural vowel. There is no sakin at the end. So it will be two counts long, as this was two counts long too. Ain has three letters, and we are treating it just like Madarat Lisakun. So it will be six counts, because all scholars had agreed to make it six counts long. I. Now there is Noon Sakun, and after Noon Sakun there is Sod, letter Sod. So which rule is being applied here? Yes, Ikhfa. Ayn Sad. There will be heavy Ikhfa. Why? Because Sad is among heavy letters. So I'm saying it again very slowly. Kaf. Applying hums. After applying hums, ha, two counts long. Ya, two counts long. I, after saying I, there will be ikhfa of noon. You are hiding the sound of noon here and going towards the letter saw, the makhraj of sad, and you are making it six counts long. And after making it six counts long, you are giving qalqala on dal, because dal is with sakun here. So ayn sad. Kaf ha ya ayn sad. Yes. Then ta, if you wanted to write ta, that will be two counts long too. Ta, because there are only two letters, and it is ending with natural vowel, naturally long vowel. So there is no second letter at the end, so it will be two counts long. Ta. And if you wanted to write ha, how will you write? Yes, there is no second letter at the end, so that is naturally long vowel, and it will stay the same. So this will be two counts long, and this will be two counts long too. Ta, ha. And there is no rule applied. So it's very simple. Ta, ha. Then there is ta. If you wanted to write ta, it will be like this. So this is naturally long vowel, and there is no second letter in the end. This is ta, sorry. Very messed up to, but it's okay. So to will be two counts long because there is no second letter at the end. So okay, to, and but it will be heavy. It will be definitely heavy. Don't miss it. To. Then seen will be two. How many counts long? Six counts because there are three letters in it, and at the end you find the second letter after the mud letter. So uh, uh, with the all scholars have agreed that it should be six counts long. Seen. Now there is noon sakin, and after noon sakin there is meme, which rule should be applied, and this is idgham with gunna. So you are merging the sound of noon into meme, and you are creating gunna, and this is a gunna kamila, very long gunna, and then meme will be. So if you wanted to write meme, so it will be six counts long too because there are three letters, and there is meme with sukoon, and there is long vowel, so this will be six counts long too. So after noon there is meme, noon sakin. After noon sakin there is meme, so you are applying the rule of idgham. So you are merging the sound of noon into meme. So listen how we will say it. Ko. This is two counts long. Seem. So C will be six counts long. As you will touch the gunna, you will create gunna, longer gunna. Like it will not be too long, like six counts long. No, no, no. This will be gunna. Just it will take the duration of gunna only. And then meme will be six counts long, and when you will end meme on meme sakin, you will give the wasat. Okay, so I'm saying it again. Qasim. This is ta, so ta will stay ta. There will be two counts. It will be two counts long, and seen. Seen will be six counts long because there are three letters, and you are giving sukoon at the end. And before second, you saw the long vowel, so you are making it like mad arad li sukoon, but it is longer than mad arad li sukoon. It's six counts long because we are pronouncing huruf muqatta'at. Ta, two counts long. Seen. So there are no rules applied in between because there are no rules are coming in here. So ta will be two counts long, and six will be seen will be six counts long. And when you are stopping at the end, and there will be noon sakun, it will get sifa of the wasat. Qasin. Yeah, when you wanted to write yeah, it will be like this. So it is ending with 2 counts, so it will not be changed. It will be 2 counts long. And seen, you are making mad added للسكون. So it will be 6 counts long here because these are حروف مقطعات. So Yasin. When you are saying noon with سكون, you are given tawasut at the end. Yasin. Sod will be 6 counts long because there are 3 letters and you are just reading it like what? Mad added للسكون. So it should be 6 counts long here because we are saying حروف مقطعات. And at the end, when you will end on dal, there will be qalqala because this is dal with سكون. It will get qalqala. So صاد صاد and ha. If you wanted to write ha, it will be like this. So there is no second letter at the end, so it will be 2 counts long. Meme will be 6 counts long because if you wanted to write it, there will be just like madarid lesakun. This is madarid lesakun, and you are making it 6 counts long here because we are saying huruf muqatta'at. And at the end of meme, there is meme with sukoon and there is ain. So which rule is being applied? Meme sakin rule, and this is ibhar shafawi. So nothing will be applied. Like it should be very clear. Meme ain. Okay, then ain will be 6 counts long because when you wanted to write it, it will be just like madarid sukun. You are making it 6 counts long, but at the end there is noon sakin, and at the beginning of seen there is seen. So which rule is being applied? Yes, this is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. I see, and then you will make seen 6 counts long, and there is noon at the end. So now and qaf in the beginning of qaf. So which rule is being applied? Ikhfa, yes, and ikhfa which ikhfa, heavy or light? Heavy ikhfa because qaf is among the heavy letters. So when you will end seen, you will create ikhfa, heavy ikhfa, and then go to qaf. Okay, seen qaf. After making qaf 6 counts long, you are ending on fa, and fa will be with sakoon, and it will get sifa of hums. And hums is the flow of breath. So you will give a flow of breath at the end. Now listen how we will say Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Yes. Should I try it again? Yes. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Ha, 2 counts long because if you wanted to write, there will be 2 letters and there is no second letter at the end, so it will be 2 counts long. And after there is meme, so no rule is being applied in between, so it will be simply meme will be simply 6 counts long, because there are mad arid lissakoon is being applied. And at the end, when you will get meme with sakoon, you will give the wasat. So look how we will say it. Hamim. Ha, 2 counts long. Meme. Then qaf, you will say qaf, 6 counts long, because there are 3 letters, and last letter is sakin, and before sakin harf there is mud letter. So you are treating it just like mad arid lisakun, but here it will be 6 counts long. Mad arid lisakun is normally we make it 4 counts long, but here in mad arid, in huruf muqatta'at, we are making it 6 counts long. And at the end, you will find fa with sakun, so you will bring hums, clear hums, and hums with the flow of breath. Qaf. The sound should flow. Then noon. Why it is long? Because you this is just like if you wanted to write, you will write it, and there will be the position of mad arid lisakun. So here we are saying huruf muqatta'at, so it should be 6 counts long, and at the end you will find noon with sakun, so you will give sifa of tawassut. So make it 6 counts long and give tawassut at the end. Noon. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.